Alrighty, so here we have their entire dryer line. We moved it to a safe area. This is not where the clog is. It's down there. We just disassembled it so that way we didn't have to go on the roof entirely. The roof is about 30 feet off the floor. So we just disconnect it completely. We'll clean it in a safe area. We'll put it back together. Oh, and here is the elbow of their dryer line right here. As you can see, the clog is not right here either. It was that bird's nest that was over there. All right, stay tuned. Here is our bird's nest.